Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Today I am giving you the hidden information and common faults about Fimi X8 drone, which is never shared online or on YouTube. Please watch this full video, then you could understand what reality is. It does not warn anywhere in the manual or Fimi website. Hidden truth revealed: OF battery fault system and virus installed by Fimi Drone company. The manufacturer of Xiaomi Fimi X8 drone has a built-in virus in their drone software, which is activated by itself even on brand new battery. The drone actually communicates with battery. It has very clever software installed into the drone itself by Xiaomi Fimi Drone makers, which waits for somebody who is owner or flying that drone. That could be yourself or your child. Obviously, if you are flying Fimi Drone or any remote control aircraft, then you could go to its limits of battery to full discharge level. And it's 100% normal. But how about if you are flying a drone, which states that the battery life is 35 minutes? Then you can expect that battery will last at least 30 minutes. Just imagine that you are flying on high altitude or far distance from your home point. And then battery level says that it is only enough battery to come back home. You just see that battery is around 20% left and battery sign is amber or yellow on your mobile device. In fact, now you are guaranteed that you will lose your battery for lifetime. Because if you bring your drone back safely, but your battery level is less than 15%, and it's showing red indicator on mobile screen, you can understand that you will have to buy new battery because you have gone to 15% of battery. This is the big cheat and fraud by Fimi drone manufacturers. Because your battery will not chargeable anymore. TE drone will write a code on that battery that it was over discharged, as I am showing you on screen. Even your battery is brand new or you are flying a brand new drone. Now it is not flyable because a virus software has been activated in drone for that battery. This is first battery operated drone, which does not accept the healthy battery or brand new battery, which is used even brand new. Here I give you an example. If you buy a mobile phone for $1,000, you just used the full battery, or you forgot to charge it, or your children were playing with mobile phone and then battery is finished. Obviously you can put back on charge and make it usable again, even for many times. And if any mobile phone or battery operated item does the over-discharge drama, then nobody will buy that product again. But unfortunately Fimi Drone has a so-called intelligent software system which detects that it was over-discharged. And the battery will not be usable at all. Because after the long time of flight or usage of drone, when battery reaches to less than 15%, then battery will not even chargeable. There are some tricks to make the battery chargeable. But unfortunately this trick works only to battery. The battery will be reset and will be able chargeable again. The link is below in the description about reset the battery. But when you use this fully charged battery into your drone, then drone software recognize that over-discharged battery and lock that battery again. It will not able to recharge again. Please watch the screenshot. So understandable sense is that drone has a virus. The fully charged battery is showing full mAh and full voltage, but it has damaged by drone software. You can use that battery to any other device and charge or discharge for many times. It will work as normal, but not in Fimi Drone anymore. The Fimi company is making millions dollars to sell their batteries because of this clever virus software. They can fix is remotely by issuing an update software to disable this blockage from Fimi Drone. I am 100% sure that it will accept that over-discharged battery again to make it usable again. The Fimi company is doing loot and fraud to public. Battery timing says 35 minutes. But first of all, it lasts max 27 minutes from 100% to 0%. Then you will have to buy a new battery, because of software installed in the battery and drone. It cannot be used anymore. Actually, if you just touch the 15% of battery, It will show red indication of battery. Then your drone is dead until you buy a new battery or replace with another battery. Because whatever you do after you have over-discharged, which is less than 15%, there is no way you to fly your drone with same battery. So never fly too high or too far, which is not possible to bring your drone back with at least 20% battery. Otherwise this flight will cost you $100, which is 100% going to die. And not repairable from anywhere. So think if you are flying Fimi drone with your mind that it will fly for 35 minutes. From 100% to 0%. Then make your mind first. That first of all it will last around 27 minutes total. Second, you will have to buy new battery. I am saying 100% true. Because it happened with me for 4 times. First lost when I was flying high. And then my remote vibrated. I saw on screen that battery is just enough to land and bring it back. So I did. It safely landed with 5% remaining battery. Then I put back to charger for charge. But it was not charging. And also was showing 2 LED together blinks, then other 2 blinks. And not charging at all. Then I made experiment to other new battery, which was spare. I deliberately used to 0%. Then same situation. It was dead as well forever. Then I bought another battery. I checked, it was showing around 60%. Flown my drone. But in about 10 minutes my remote vibrated. I saw battery level on screen, which was 5% only. I landed my drone. Checked with battery charger. It was not charging. Then I tried on drone to see. It was showing this message. That battery has damaged. It cannot be used anymore. I manipulate the battery by following this video, which I uploaded earlier. Battery starts to charge. But unfortunately after even fully charged battery. As soon as you put this battery into drone, then drone software recognize it, which is stored information in the drone's memory that battery was over discharged, then also says 1 in front of it. This is fraud happening. Because drone has a special software which does not allow to able to fly it anymore with same battery. Many people, or you can say all of Fimi drone buyers, must had this bad experience. And I am sure that most of people are buying few batteries, which are already expensive. It's not fair by Fimi. I am sure if the Fimi drone company send new firmware for battery, then it will accept that battery again, which is damaged according to Fimi drone. And also the same battery, which was over discharged during flight. So friends, if you have Fimi drones any model, please be aware that you are at risk of damaging your batteries because of Fimi drone's own battery eater software. I will recommend that buy any other drones which are cheaper than Fimi drones and better result. Or buy good drones like DJI. These Fimi drones sometimes costs $100 per flight. Trust me. It's all 100% true. You can even type into Google or YouTube. There are many videos and information about the Fimi drone's batteries. That's why I call it as a big fraud and cheating done by Fimi drone makers. Please like and share this video to viral it to all people who are planning to buy Fimi drones. Many people will understand and agree with this video who had bad experience of battery of this drone. I have already sent many emails to Fimi company, but they are not doing anything. I made this video to help innocent public which are facing this cheat and fraud by Xiaomi Fimi Drone company. It has made other faults as well. For an example, 1. Gimbal problem, which tilts anywhere. 2. Camera is not nice for photos, even it says 12 megapixels. The result is too bad. 3. Video quality is just acceptable. Not very nice. 4. Takes too much time to get ready for flight. 5. On-screen software for mobile devices is not user-friendly. 6.it has also many other restrictions, which nobody can fix or amend. Please continue watching this video, which you can see that gimbal is making problems, which ruins your video and effort. I hope this video will help the other people to understand the common faults, which is not fixable in Fimi drones.